What is up, guys? CTJ33. In this video, we're gonna do an opening, unboxing, and kind of a review on this Billboard speaker. I bought it, at a discount price because it was already kind of open. So it was $13, and the original price was like $16, I guess. Yeah, so they only took out $3, I guess, because it was open. Bluetooth. Like I said, I'm not gonna be able to test it because I record with my phone, and I need my phone to oh my god, to use it. So with that being said, let's go ahead and open it up and just make sure. I guess I don't know. So, I don't know what that is for. Let me get my tripod here so I could have my hands. Alright, there we go. So I got both hands now. We can open this bad boy right up. So that's what this is for. So yes, there's some kind of plastic thing here. I mean, you see, this thing should work. It's like basically brand new. Turn on. Huh. Oh, we can't test this out because it said it had FM radio. Focus camera. There you go. So let's see if we can get the radio on, maybe. So see, we got a charger here. Got a charger here. Instructions. And auxiliary. Cool beans. We'll throw that away real quick. So, let's press this button and see if I can get maybe a radio signal. I can see the speaker here and a speaker on this side. I think M is usually for mode, so yeah. That's what I thought was gonna happen. So M is for mode, and this is the radio. And then if I press it again, it's for Bluetooth. So I'm guessing these are for looking for the channels. So you guys, not everybody needs instructions. So I press that. I'm trying to see what's going on now. So I think this might be a mode. Going back and forth also. But yeah, it works. Either way. Anyways, guys, like, subscribe, share, and peace out.